What's going on with y'all boys? We got week number 5 of trying to get my first payout from day trading. And if you just tapping in, just tuning in with the journey, make sure you click on this video right here. That's my week 1 with us just getting started. So make sure you check out that video before watching here. But let's go ahead and just get into it. What's going on, guys? We got day 21 of trying to get my first payout, and we ended up taking no trades today. Today was a no news Monday, so I really wasn't expecting much. But as you can just see right here, just looking at this, it's just trash. It didn't give me no clean setup for real, and we didn't force nothing, so that was good. So another disciplined day, and look at this. It's just consolidating, ranging back and forth. So I saw some people actually trade today, took a couple dubs, but not me, bro. We gonna stay disciplined with this, and we just gonna, stay disciplined because we up $900 on the eval account I brought on last Thursday. So we still up money. So if we just get 2 more wins, we should be set. So we're just gonna stay disciplined. We gonna get right, and hopefully this week we gonna pass it. But I do have school tomorrow. My first day of school is tomorrow, so hopefully that won't mess up me and my trading. But we gonna see though. I'm gonna keep posted. Stay tuned for tomorrow though, cause that's my first day. What's going on, guys? We got day 22 of trying to get my first payout, and we didn't end up taking any trades today, only because I will have my first day of school, my last first day ever, and we just couldn't trade. We couldn't have our phones, and I just couldn't trade. But this is what we would have took. My buy coming in was bearish. I wanted price to definitely hit this previous low day, because you can see it's respecting this high time frame fair value gap. So I'm expecting price to go lower, right? And price dropped a little bit. It's boom, moving. I could have actually took 2 entries. I could have entered right here, boom, put my stop up here, because it's respecting this low right here. Closed below change of state, boom, and went lower. Or I could have waited for the retest, right? Waited, boom. Wait for a change of state right here, and could have gotten right here for a better risk to reward. And I could have had 2 entries, bruh, but we just couldn't, bruh. That just pissed me off, bruh. Because I hope and I just pray that I just can be able to trade, because this is actually what I want to do. And school getting in the way of that, bruh, that's just gonna ruin everything, bruh. So I just hope that I can sneak the phone, or my teacher would cut me some slack or something, because I need to be able to do this, bro, for sure. But yeah, no trades again. So we still only up 900 on the eval. So 2 more wins. Yep, until we pass it. But yeah, ain't nothing too crazy. First day of school went look good. But check out my YouTube video. It's gonna be up soon. If it's not up today, it's gonna be up soon. Where I vlog my first day. So peace out. What's going on, guys? We got day number 23 of trying to get my first payout. And again, we didn't end up taking any trades today. I ain't gonna lie, it's been a little boring these past couple days, but this is just like the reality of trading. You're not gonna be trading every day, so like you just gotta be disciplined and patient. But today, it was a A day. Price just was just dumb. Just went straight down. Didn't really give me no entry. But my buys coming in was bullish, because I wanted price to come in this fair value right here. Reach this high that I marked out right here, because it inverse this fair value gap on the 4 hour. So I want the price to come and take these lows, and then sweep up to here, and maybe continue lower, because we overall in the uptrend. But if we go down, scale down to a lower time frame, you can see price came and just dumped. Boom. Nothing. There was nothing down here. Boom. Then it reversed up and started consolidating. So it was no entries. Even if my bias was wrong and I wanted to go shorts, it was no entries for that either. So it was no good trades today. Hopefully tomorrow better. But another day of no trades. We've been on this eval for a little minute. I'm trying to hurry up and pass this, get that payout. But y'all boys tune in tomorrow though, because We're gonna try to definitely get a dub tomorrow, hopefully. But yeah. What's going on, guys? We got day number 24, trying to get my first payout. And again, we didn't end up taking any trades today. We made $0 today. But honestly, today I actually should have traded. I just I just wasn't at my phone. Cause I am in school right now, so like I gotta sync my phone to trade. And it's just like I didn't see it. I didn't see it in time, like the trade I should have took in time. Here's a trade I should have took. But coming in, I really didn't have a bias because like it's different from a computer and a phone. Like in a computer, you can actually study the charts like boom, you can see everything. But with a phone, it's just like so little. And it's like you can't really study for real. But I ain't gonna use that as an excuse though. But my bias coming in, I really didn't have a bias though for real. I ain't gonna lie. I was just going with the flow of the market. But I definitely wanted price to reach this low right here. And after it reaches this low right here, then I don't know what it wanted to do. I was just gonna read price action and just see. But you can see right here, price boom came up, boom boom boom, swept this high right here, went down, changed the state, boom, retested again, boom, candle closer to the downside. And this could have been an entry right here, going with my initial bias to the downside to this thing low right here. That could have been a trade. And another one I could have traded was me waiting for this low to get swept. If I didn't want to trade this, I could have wait for it to get swept, right? Boom, waited, boom, chain the state right here. Then you also have an order block right here. It retested the order block and closed above it. So I would enter right here, put my stop down here, and then I guess target this high right here. And that was two trades that could have hit that I didn't take. I don't even know why, but I'm pretty sure it's because I wanted my phone or I was scared to enter in the moment. I forgot, I ain't gonna lie, but I'm pretty sure it's because I wanted my phone now. But we gotta do better, bro. I'm tired of being on the eval account. I'm tired of not trading and stuff like that, but hopefully tomorrow better, bro. But y'all stay tuned. What's up, guys? We got day number 25 of trying to get my first payout. And today we actually traded, bro. But we did end up losing. We lost around $800 today. But coming in, my bias was based off of this 15-minute fair value gap, if it respected it or not. As you can see, it did. So my bias was bullish, right? Hopping down to the 1 minute, 9:30 open. Price came down, and then it went up. It respected this fair value gap. So then I shifted my bias to being bullish, right? So boom, hold up, boom, price playing out, playing out, playing out, playing out. I could have entered way earlier, but you want to know what happened? I wasn't at my phone, bruh. I could have entered way, way, way earlier. I could have entered, boom, at this change of state and at this free test of this first break of structure right here. I could have entered right there. Boom, put my stop somewhere over here and then target highs or something. But I didn't do that because I was in school, of course, so I ain't gonna be like on it for real. So I entered late. I entered late after price respected this fair value gap and broke structure to the upside. I entered late and I put my stop below this low, and then I just wanted to see it go up, but it didn't. And as you can see, price just went down, all the way down. But if I would have entered early, I would have still been in the trade, and then price would have hit. And this big old candle was news. So I was also being cautious of news because I know news is low key unpredictable. But then price reached into this fair value gap, and then I wanted to see a breaking structure, chain of state right here, and then I wanted to see a retest of this fair value gap, and then respect it, but it didn't respect it. So then I just stopped trading because if it would have respected this right here. and then give me a chain of state down here, I would have entered down there. But it didn't give me none of that. So we didn't take no other trades. But we should have entered way earlier right here, and we didn't. Not gonna blame it on school like I did this whole week, but it's low key school fault, bro. If I would have entered right here, I would have still lost. I don't know, bro. I gotta do better. I gotta lock in, bro. I'm tired of losing. Tired of winning one day, losing one day. It's like I just gotta lock in, and get right, bro.
A wrap of week number 5, and we only took one trade this whole entire week. Mostly due to school and stuff like that, but we only took one trade, and the one trade we took was a loss, and we lost $800. So we're down on the week, but still, overall, we're still up on the eval account. So we should be good next week. We should be able to pass this account next week and hopefully get that payout soon enough. But we gonna see. But that wraps up week 5 of trying to get my first payout from day trading as a 17-year-old trader. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned from the weeks coming on, and just like the video, subscribe, and just stay tuned, bro, for the journey, bro. Come on this journey with me, bro. Learn with me, bro.